Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, remote keyless entry, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.